Break ID number 6569. 2018 National Treasures Baseball 1-box break. Whoop, go. Hit them at the same time. PC team bonuses for Dan LA, Russell GR. First one, not too bad. Triple relic to 99, Shohei Ohtani. Angels, Russell GR. Jumbo jersey to 99, Mitch Garver. Twins, Chris GA. Mike Piazza, jersey to 99. Dodgers, Dan LA. I like this one. Dual old school relic, 4 of 5, Warren Spahn. Four of 5, Milwaukee. Dan, LA. Nice patch. Auto to 25, Anthony Alford. That's a cool patch. Toronto, Rolando GA. Triple jersey auto to 99, Nick Williams. Phillies, Jim D.O. Oh, like this one. 3-color jumbo RPA to 99, David Bodie. Very nice. Cubs. Jim D.O. I like this one too. To 49, 2-color jumbo RPA, Ozzie Albies. Atlanta. Rolando GA. Nice card. And last one to 49, dual relics. Ken Boyer, Tony Oliva. That's between St. Louis and Minnesota. Whichever one is closer to the bottom. St. Louis is third from the top. So Minnesota, which is right under him, Craig, GA. All right, very nice box.